Hey guys, today we're going to learn about finite differences. What are finite differences? They classify polynomial functions using the degree n, which is positive. They are also known as constant finite differences, CDF for short. They are found by subtracting the previous differences till all of them are constant. Constant finite differences are equal to a times n factorial, where a is the leading coefficient of the function. More about constant finite differences. Constant finite differences have the same sign as the leading coefficient. The polynomial is of a degree n if the nth difference is constant. N exclamation mark stands for n factorial. The equation is n factorial equals n times n minus 1 times n minus 2, and it keeps on going. An example of n factorial we have is 6 factorial, which is 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which equals 720. We have a table of values example to find our constant finite differences, where our x values are negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, and 2, and y values are 6, 3, 2, 3, 6. Like I said previously, to calculate our differences, we find them by subtracting the previous differences so they are all constant. So in this case, we'll do 3 minus 6, which is negative 3, 2 minus 3, which is negative 1, 3 minus 2, which is 1, and 6 minus 3, which is 3. Since those four numbers are not constant, we keep going till they are. So negative 1 minus negative 3, which is 2, 1 minus negative 1, which is 2, and 3 minus 1, which is 2. Our second differences are all constant. So as the first differences were not constant, but the second differences were, the degree of the function is 2. The sign of the leading coefficient will also be positive, as 2 is a positive integer. The word problem we have is, what is the value of the leading coefficient? A times n factorial equals 2, where a times 2 factorial equals 2. We've plugged it in from our previous table of values. A times 2 times 1 equals 2. A times 2 equals 2. 2a equals 2. To get rid of the 2, you divide it on both sides, divide by 2, where we get our final answer, a equals 2. How do you find finite differences in real life? Well, they are used in real life because many businesses will use them to look at data over the years, and they are also used in computers to create graphics by calculating gradients and shading. That's the end of my lesson. Thank you for watching.